Tired of slow, weak laser modules that leave you frustrated? Prepare to be amazed. Introducing the NEJE E80, the industrial-grade laser module that redefines cutting and engraving power. Forget everything you thought you knew about laser performance. Close-up shot of the E80 module. The E80 boasts a unique design, delivering a mind-blowing 6,666 W per millimeter squared power density. That's far superior to even 40 W modules. This translates to incredibly fast, precise cuts and stunningly detailed carvings. Imagine the possibilities. Intricate designs, deep cuts through thick materials, all within seconds. Shot highlighting the long lifespan. But that's not all. The E80's revolutionary design extends its lifespan up to 10 times longer than other 20W modules and CO2 lasers. That's a massive return on your investment. Show the versatility with different materials being cut or engraved. This isn't just a powerful tool, it's incredibly versatile. Compatible with both TTL and PWM modulation, the E80 seamlessly integrates into your existing setup. Text overlay, limited time offer. Narrator, for a limited time, we're offering an exclusive bundle including everything you need to get started: the E80 module, power adapter, interface board, and more. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your laser capabilities. Show the complete package contents. This incredible offer ends soon. Click the link below to order your NEJE E80 now and experience the future of laser technology. Transform your projects today. End screen with website link and social media handles.